bit see-through. Hugs all my curves. And I was thinking it'd be really fun to get super stuffed wearing it so I can have a nice round belly in this dress. So, I was thinking of what I want to stuff my face with, and I decided to go with a guilty pleasure of mine, Taco Bell. I got 10 tacos. I think my eyes are a little bigger than my tummy, but I'm gonna fucking try. Nice. Have my Coke ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tacos. Plenty of hot sauce. Perfect. Okay, let's get started here. Starving. Hell yeah. Gotta put some hot sauce on there. So good. So not good for you, but so good. So good. So hungry. Alright, one down. Yum. Lots of hot sauce. She didn't give me nearly enough hot sauce. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Alright. Here we go. I forgot to read the packets. Of course I will. Of course I will get stuffed. I can't let you go. Oh. Alright. Tummy still feels pretty empty, so I think we're doing good. Mmm.